Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide recommended on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open the PC that contains your Windows 11. Of course, if you're a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and actually upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course, you can run the installation or the download of Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. But your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem and you'll not feel different if you have a good PC. Of course, once the download finish, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC, and when you do that, you will find yourself with a Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any personal files or apps for you, so don't worry about that. And of course, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want, but I bet when you get used to Windows 11, you will like it much better than Windows 10. Of course, just my personal opinion. So as we said on the beginning of the video is we would like to hide the recommended on the Windows 11. So the first thing that we would like to do, of course, where I can find the recommended. So you click at the startup menu here or the Windows key on your screen, or you can just click the Windows key on your keyboard. As you can see, you will find this recommended here. Of course, if you click at more, you will find all of those here. Of course, recommended is being recommended to you because you opened them recently. So how can you hide any a recommended thing? So simply you can just go to whatever you don't want to have it as recommended. So let's say this as an example, and simply right click on it, and that will open this too for you. Of course, you can open the file location or remove from the list, and that's how you can hide it from the recommended. Of course, that will work with anything else. That will work with this one. Right click, remove from list. Right click, remove from list, and as you can see, it's being hidden now, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.